50 is moins 10, minus 10, and 55 is moins 5, minus 5. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to learn important rules in order to be able to tell the time. So let's start. First, let's start with some general rules. In French, we use the 24 hours clock to tell the time, and we don't have words to translate AM or PM. But with friends and family, we can use a 12 hours clock because they know our routine, so there won't be any confusions with the time. The word heure is a feminine word, which means that we must use the feminine version of un, une, every time it is 1 AM or 9 PM, because these are the only two numbers in the 24 hours clock using the number 1. So for 1 AM, I'll say une heure, and for 9 PM, I'll say 21 heures. To turn the word heure into plural, simply add a silent S at the end of it. To say it is, use il est. Il est une heure. And to translate at, use the preposition à. À 21 heures. Now, let's see how we can ask the question, what time is it? To say that, in French, we would say quelle heure est-il? Which is the perfect way of asking this question. Or, il est quelle heure? This is a more informal way to ask that question because of the structure. To answer, we would need to use il est. So let's practice. Quelle heure est-il? Il est une heure. Now let's have a look at the minutes. For the minutes, we will use the name of the numbers like 10, 20 or 12. But there are exceptions. 15 or quarter past is et quart. 30 or half past is et demi. But here, if you prefer, you can also say 30. 35 is moins 25, which translates as minus 25. 40 is moins 20, minus 20. 45 is moins le quart, minus the quarter. 50 is moins 10, minus 10. And 55 is moins 5, minus 5. Great! Now let's have a look at the hours. For the hours, we will use the name of the numbers like 2, 16 or 20. But there are exceptions too. For midday, we use midi, and for midnight, we say minuit. And don't forget that for 1 AM, we use une heure and not un heure. Same for 9 PM. We would say 21 heures. That's it for the rules about telling the time. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!